Rumors surrounding Sony's upcoming console, the PlayStation 5 Pro, have been circulating for a while. Recently, Insider Gaming reported on potential specifications for the gaming console. According to the leaks, the PS5 Pro will maintain the same CPU as the standard PS5 but introduce a new, high CPU frequency mode. This mode is rumored to boost the CPU clock speed to 3.85 GHz, marking a 10% increase over the standard console. However, it might slightly reduce the GPU's performance by about 1.5%. Additionally, the PS5 Pro is said to feature a 28% increase in bandwidth, achieving speeds of 576 GB per second compared to the standard PS5's 448 GB per second. This enhanced memory bandwidth facilitates faster data transfer between system memory and the GPU, enhancing graphical fidelity, rendering speed, and overall game performance. Regarding the GPU, leaked details suggest a substantial 45% improvement in rendering power, significantly faster ray tracing performance, up to 2-4 times faster in some cases, and an impressive 33.5 teraflops of single precision compute power. Specialized hardware for ray tracing acceleration is also expected, positioning the console for seamless 4K gaming and future-proof 8K capabilities. Furthermore, the PS5 Pro is rumored to feature advancements in audio technology. The Audio Compute Voice (ACV) is reportedly running at a higher clock speed, delivering a 35% performance boost for the Audio Compute Module (ACM) library. With these exciting details emerging, anticipation for an official announcement about the PS5 Pro is growing. Stay tuned for further updates as more information becomes available.